Good afternoon, viewers. You joined me at my first location of the V3 charger where we've done and we've installed the Magic Dock. As you can see, when I first arrived, the actual CCS connector was still attached, so someone before me must not have actually seated it all the way up, which is perfectly fine. As you can see, the connector actually, the part to change from NACS over to CCS just simply attaches to the NACS port itself, and it makes it really easy to charge with. That being said, it just simply goes up into the top here, clicks in, and you'll see that the Tesla plug can switch over. Very simple. It's my first time seeing it, so obviously curious how it works. It's interesting that it is a lot stiffer. If you are used to the way it's been before, where it just kind of sits into that little tab at the top there, it doesn't do that anymore. It's actually kind of a bit stiffer to actually seat it up into the Magic Dock connector itself. So interesting to note. Let me take over the NACS part of this, plug in Lightning, and we'll get a good charge. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. This is the V3 Supercharger that has been converted over with the new Magic Dock connector. This is one of 3 locations in Washington State that has it completed. This is the Quincy, Washington location. There's obviously the Moses Lake location, and I can't remember the other one, but it's on the west side of the state. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Bye.